Hello everyone, my name is Brian. In today's video we're going to be talking about improving our miter joints using a unique tool that we designed for our Festool Domino. The problem with miter joints is that when you put them together you can't simply just apply glue on the end grain and glue these together because you'll end up with a weak joint. So a common strategy that is used by woodworkers is to cut into the miter joint itself on the side and to create splines, as you see right here at the end. So the common way to cut splines for your miter joints is to use a table saw or potentially your router table. But we've come up with something that's even simpler than using a jig on your table saw or router table. Instead, we came up with this that will mount on the bottom of a Festool Domino, and this creates a simple way to create splines in your miter joints. So in today's video what we're going to do is demonstrate the use of this jig after we show you how we cut it out on the CNC machine. And as a final note, I took the screws out of this and used those to mount the jig, so you don't need to buy anything new. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you get out there and make one of these spline jigs. I'll put a PDF on our builditnotes.com website so you can go there and make one yourself if you would like.